Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change your password on your Gerena account. To change your Gerena account's password, first of all open up a preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in gerena.com. Also make sure that you are logged into your account by using your login credentials. Once you're signed into your account, click on the account button at the top right. Once you get to the account center page, click on change password right under your profile picture. On the next page where it says change password, click on get code and enter the verification code that you received via your email that is associated with your Gerena account. After entering your code, click on verify. Now, once you get to the change password page, go ahead and enter the current password for your Gerena account in the first text box. Right where it says new password, enter the new password you are trying to change to for your account. Re-enter the new password in the last field and click on the change button in order to change your password. Soon after you do that, your password will be changed for your Gerena account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.